Hey there, viewers. We got a 2005 F250 with the 6.8 V10 3-valve. Complaint is it will not accelerate. Alright, let's see what we got for the mileage. Whoa, look at there. 599,000 miles. She definitely got a miss. Set the camera on the steering wheel there. And she's got a little bit of shaky shake. Alright, let's pull the codes. Alright, let's see here. Drop the key on. Alright, looks like we got a B0352 ignition key and circuit error. We don't care. P0354 ignition coil D primary secondary circuit. P0446 evap system vent control. P0645 air conditioning clutch relay circuit. And readiness not complete. Alrighty. Well, since we definitely got a miss, let's go ahead and tackle that ignition coil, see what goes on there. Alright, so the way Ford designates their cylinders is passenger side bank 1 is 1 through 5, driver side bank 2, 6 through 10, and it looks like we've got a new coil on number 4 and a zip tie holding the connector on. So I'm going to get that off and put a Noid light on it and make sure that the computer's sending signal, and then go from there. Alright, let's check it out here. Yeah, that connection's awful loose. Yeah. Let me get in there and cut them zip ties and definitely be replacing this pigtail. Yeah, it's pretty tight. You guys can't see, I'm sure, but just getting rid of these zip ties. Alright, I'm gonna stick a Noid light in her. Make sure that she is firing. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like there's a little something in the connector there. Looks like part of the weather seal. We'll get all that out real quick. Oh, it's in there pretty good too. Alright, now drop a Noid light in there. Oh, you guys can't see, can you? Alright, let me start it up. That should blink. Alright, so our annoyed light blinks. I'm going to go ahead and assume that that connector was not making a good connection. Let me pull the coil out and make sure the pins on that are straight too. Alright, so I got the coil out, and it definitely is a new one. And the pins are looking okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just, like I said before, assume that the had a bad connection on it and replace that pigtail. Yeah, she was kind of a pain in to get to, but we got the butt splice heat shrink connectors on there. Now to tape it up, make it look nice. And there we are, all taped up, ready for the new coil, or actually the old coil, which is new. So there's your part number for the pigtail for the ignition coils on all these Triton motors. 54, 46, 68, HP 4710. And I'll have links in the description. Alright, let's give her a little start, see if she's any better. Oh yeah, she's a ton better. I'm gonna go ahead and clear these cones out. So there we have it. Wasn't too bad, just a little pigtail. Solved this misfiring issue. I couldn't get the camera down in there to show you the process, but it's put on crimp connectors and heat shrink it and wrap it up so it looks nice, and done deal. Took a little trip around the block and seemed to run fine. I'm going to tackle those other codes in other videos, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I got descriptions or links in the description on some of the tools that I use, parts that I use. So go on down below with your comments, criticisms. So thanks for watching.